Hey there, kitchen warriors! Today, we're diving into a problem that can really put a damper on your dishwashing dreams when your Bosch dishwasher just won't start. Don't worry, I've got your back with some troubleshooting tips to get those dishes sparkling again in no time. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Press to Cook for more kitchen tips, tricks, and all things culinary. Alright, let's get started. First things first, check the basics. I know it sounds simple, but make sure your dishwasher is plugged in and that your circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Sometimes, it's the little things that get overlooked, right? Next up, let's take a look at that door latch. If the door isn't closing properly, your dishwasher won't start. Give it a little wiggle and make sure it's securely latched. And hey, if it's feeling a bit loose, it might be time to tighten those screws or replace the latch altogether. Now, let's move on to the control panel. If your Bosch dishwasher has a digital display, make sure it's not showing any error codes. These codes can give you a hint about what's going on under the hood. If you see an error code, consult your manual or do a quick search online to figure out what it means and how to fix it. Alright, all clear. Let's take a look at the child lock feature. If it's activated, your dishwasher won't start. Check your user manual to find out how to turn off the child lock, and you'll be back in business. Still no luck. Let's get into the nitty-gritty, the water supply. Ensure that the water valve is open and that there's no kink in the hose. A lack of water flow could be the culprit behind your dishwasher's stubborn behavior. While we're in the area, give that water inlet filter a quick inspection. If it's clogged with debris, it could be preventing water from entering your dishwasher. Just give it a good clean and see if that does the trick. Alright, folks, if you've tried all these steps and your Bosch dishwasher is still giving you the cold shoulder, it might be time to call in a professional. Sometimes, there could be a more complex issue at play, and a trained technician can help you get to the bottom of it. Remember, your dishwasher is your kitchen's best friend, and taking care of it means you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your favorite meals. So, there you have it. Some simple steps to troubleshoot your Bosch dishwasher when it just won't start. Thanks for tuning in to Press to Cook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more great content. Until next time, keep those kitchens humming and those dishes shining.